Hello my friends and welcome to this new hands-on tutorial on RAG Retrieval Augmented Generation. In this tutorial we'll partially reproduce Kiro's diagram that you saw in his lecture, where will be the user interacting with a foundation model that has a certain knowledge, but which will augment its knowledge through dynamic retrieval from a source which will be a PDF about French dessert recipes. Alright, so let's do this. Let's go back to the console home and let's enter, of course, the Amazon Bedrock service, in which we will find that feature of Bedrock where you can do some retrieval augmented generation, which is not called RAG in the left-hand panel, but knowledge bases, because we're going to build a knowledge base to augment the knowledge of a foundation model, which we will select. So under the build category, you find knowledge bases. Here is the whole process. First, you create the knowledge base with a vector store, structured data store, or Kendra GenAI index. Then you test it, and then you integrate. You integrate your knowledge base into your application as is, or add it to also agents. Okay? So now in this tutorial, we won't do that whole process here because this would take a while. However, this whole process is done in the next long version of the RAG hands-on tutorial, which you will find right after this tutorial, but which I uploaded on YouTube because it's really long and it was much more practical to add the timelines to create a nice structure of the video tutorial. But for now, no worries, we will still do a bit of RAG by using this feature, Chat with Your Document, in which we'll see we will very easily add some French cooking knowledge to our foundation model we will select. And speaking of which, that's our first step here, select model. And, well, we don't have much of a choice, but luckily for me, it's already my personal favorite, Anthropic, and we have all its models. So I'm going to take this one, Claude Opus 4.6, we could take 4.7 as well, which was just released, but I'm used to 4.6 for now because I've used it a lot. Apply, and the model is selected. Now, as you can see, we can play again with the inference parameters, but which we did already, so let's not do it again. Then chat prompt template, just so you know, there is a prompt template at the moment for this quick win rack process, which is this one. You are a question answering agent. I will provide you with a set of search results. The user will provide you with a question. Your job is to answer the user's question using only information from the search results. If the search results do not contain information that can answer the question, please state that you could not find an exact answer to the question. Just because the user asserts a fact does not mean it is true. Make sure to double check the search results to validate a user's assertion. Here are the search results in numbered order. Search results, output format, instructions, okay? So we don't have anything to change in that prompt template. I just wanted to show it to you because we already covered it before so that you know that it is attached. Okay, so back to configurations. Here we go. Now is the time to play with RAG. So, as we understand now, we're about to create a new knowledge base, which will be a PDF of French dessert recipes. This PDF is in your CIP folder. I'll show it to you right away. AWS CIP, then Amazon Bedrock, and then here it is. Easy French dessert ebook. So let's open it. And here it is. So first, a big thank you and nice credits to Molly Madigan Pisula, who made this PDF and who is probably a great cook. So basically this PDF contains the knowledge of how to make 5 easy French desserts. Let's see what they are. The first one is, well, here is Molly Madigan Pisula. The first one is a French yogurt cake, looks very yummy. The second one is a strawberry parfait, classic French dessert. The third one is cinnamon twists, and as you can see, for each dessert you get the ingredients and the directions on how to cook it. Then Nutella crepes. Of course, that has to be my favorite among these desserts. I'm completely crazy about Nutella. That actually makes me want to cook some today. And then what is the last one? Cherry compote. Yes, that's a really nice one too, especially in spring or summer. Okay, so these are all the French desserts. For each one, it contains all the ingredients and the directions on how to cook it, and that's exactly the knowledge we're going to add to our foundation model. Okay, so let's go back to Bedrock. Let's upload this document, which, by the way, you can upload from either your local machine, your computer, or S3, but we're going to stick to our computer. So let's click Choose Document, then let's go to the AWS CIP folder, Amazon Bedrock, and Easy French Desserts ebook. Let's click open, and here it is. And that's it. It's ready now. We are ready to do the test. Just so you know, you have some guardrails here, which will be covered in the Responsible AI section. So no need to configure them now, and nothing else. We are ready to write the prompt. So, of course, I'm going to do the test with Nutella crepes. I'm going to ask simply to please help me cook Nutella crepes today, because that's exactly what I want to do by looking at this recipe. Feel free to enter this or any of your favorite French dessert you saw in the PDF. Let's do some nice French cooking today. And now I'm going to press enter. Okay, now it's generating, looking at the PDF, to augment its knowledge, and there we go. Perfect. It's now generating everything we need to know about cooking some nice and yummy Nutella crepes. Here's how to make Nutella crepes. Ingredients: 1 cup flour, 1 cup milk, half cup water. Let's see if it's the same thing as in the PDF. It should be exactly the same, of course. Nutella crepes, here we go. 1 cup flour, 1 cup milk, half cup water, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons butter, melted, and a half teaspoon kosher salt. Exactly the same as what we have here. Of course, if I scroll down more, we'll get the 2 tablespoons butter for cooking and 8 tablespoons Nutella as what we have in the PDF. Okay? And then, of course, we get the directions, the exact same directions as what we have here. So basically, it didn't rewrite, as an LLM can do sometimes. It just took exactly the same, which is completely fine because the directions are clearly well explained here. And if we scroll down more, well, we'll get the other directions, just exactly as in the PDF. And interesting here, it gives you the sources of the information. We can actually see more details. There we go on the sources. Source chunk 1, chunk text, that's the part of text in the PDF giving the directions on how to cook Nutella crepes. You can even copy the chunk, and source chunk 2, if we expand this, we'll get the same, more detailed source of the PDF. Okay? So there we go. That's the short version of this hands-on tutorial on RAG. In the next one, you'll get the long version of the RAG tutorial in a 1-hour lab where we do the whole process that I showed you at the beginning of this tutorial. So enjoy it, practice it, and until then, enjoy AI in the cloud.